Hey, my people. Hey, it has been confirmed though. It has been updated though. Before I thought say na moi moi oh. It has been confirmed that these people were truly actually abducted by the DSS. I just spotted them now on latest updates on the social media that if you see how many people, a lot of people were arrested from Sunday Igboho house, and it was explained that Igboho was at home, but he managed with his diabolical power to turn to cat, and they did not catch him. And lo and behold, the funny enough, this lady woman, Lady K, was the only lady, despite that there were multitude many people that they arrested, like close to 30 or more at Sunday Igboho's house. This Lady K is the only woman. Lady K, what are you doing? Kí ló ń wá kiri? I used to say some cherry, and you this agitator ẹni lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀dì mẹ́rù. You people una get for hand, you did not maintain any decency about a caucus. Lady K all the way from UK. If you if you people are agitators nko, you were the only woman. You were the only woman arrested, adopted, taken away by DSS women. But I did not, when they showed them at the custody of DSS, I did not see any traces of packing dead body with it. I did not see any traces of packing dead body. Even Lady K, I don't know whether she's faking it or real, but it doesn't look like she's faking it. She was even leaping. Hey, fellow Nigerians, not that I don't, kì í ṣe pé mi ò support pé ká pín. Do you understand? Nigeria need to split. That's the different tribe. Yoruba just have to pass ways. But I keep saying it to the agitators, not this way. Do you understand? You don't behave like intellectual people. Not this way at all. Because the government are bigger than us. We know that they are chancing us. We know that they are depriving us of our rights. But not this way. That is what this Wole Soyinka is trying to say. Not this way, guys. Even though he does not support that, he still believes in one Nigeria. I do not. But if I do not believe in one Nigeria, does not mean I should be dumb. You agitators, there are a lot of, a lot of immoral acts about you guys. You know that Sunday Igboho is legally married. You did not respect his matrimonial home. The wife, they said the wife does not base in the country. You were the only woman. Kilo Mbaka. Hey? I was just imagining it will not be my portion. I didn't be. Do you understand? What will I tell my dad if my dad just hear all of a sudden I've been taken away with some people to DSS? Despite that I'm an adult, Baba mi a shepe for me. My father will erase curses on me. He will disown me immediately. I just thank God. Do you understand? Lady Kilo, what are you doing there? You are the one that also saw vision. You are the one that at the end was end up to be among the victims. Sorry, you can pay ni Lady K. For goodness sake, Yaya Gambari, so ti rí nǹkan tí mò ń sọ fún ẹ. If you allow anybody to intimidate, to instigate you. Nísìn, I know the government, DSS, mama bá wọn ṣẹjọ́ ni, from there, wọ́n máa to court ni. And the biggest of all, despite that, I hate Sunday Igboho more than anything. Inú ẹ̀ bí mi burúkú. Do you understand? The biggest of all that I never wish for him. They said it has been declared now that Sunday Igboho is wanted. Wọ́n ní wọ́n wá Sunday Igboho. And Sunday Igboho, you are declared wanted, is none of my fucking business. But especially the only woman among them, if you don't care about your own men, is your, do you understand? But that woman, lọ wá bó ṣe máa yọ obìnrin mẹ́ríkà yẹn o. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn, ṣe ti ráyé báyìí, tẹ́ ń pariwo Igboho yín. Igboho. If he could disappear that they cannot catch him, ṣé àwọn tó kúnú ilé yẹn, he did not empower them diabolically. Only Igboho escaped. You did not do something. How the only lady to escape? When the shootout began, Sunday Igboho, he escaped himself. Oh, you're right. Want to japa bi olórí burúkú ni. You must find a way. Agitators, you see, some of you just stay in diaspora. You believe it's all about updating on social media, doing rubbish. Even Brother Were. In fact, update Brother Were ní agbára. Agbekoya dìde, just like that. Are you the one that built Agbekoya's empire? Agbekoya dìde. OPC. Abi what were Gani Adams, please go and help Sunday Igboho sha. Shebi you but you people were projecting something different entirely, as if you said your babalawos, your herbalists has told you before concerning Lagos rally that anybody that any talk that try nonsense, they will be gone. I mean they will be gone, and they will be, do you understand, they will be dead people and all that your babalawos, they even show your babalawos for us on social media. You show all those magical power and all that, but lo and behold, a lot of agitators are now with DSS. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, open your eyes, because brother Were, you are always saying something on your platform that I held to heed. You said àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá kan wà torí wọn ò pé, tójú wọn ò fẹ́ là, and funny enough, agitators turn out to be the greatest fool of all. You people turn out to be the greatest fools of all. I thank God, because you are always exclaiming on your platform that some Yorubas, they are still dumb. They don't want to open their eyes. They don't want to know what is discussed. They don't want to shine their eyes. But at the end of the day, the people with the issue of being dumb is you, the agitators. Ẹ̀yin gangan lẹ pàpà show pé ẹ̀yin gangan ni bàbá òmùgọ̀. Do you understand? But Igboho sha, you need to go and find a way out that Lady K, she's on your neck. Any agitators are on your neck. Entire Yorubas cannot be on your neck. Torí ẹ̀mí ẹ̀ ò gbé, you are not capable for entire Yoruba. Even you cannot take care of yourself, not to talk of. Ṣebí kini, it's not all about prophecy. It's not all about being diabolical. Ojú sùnùkùn ni. Common sense ni kini. I'm telling you people. Ìjọba ò ṣe dojúkọ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Wọn ò tí ì ráyè tiyín ni. You cannot. It's a common sense. Fellow agitators out there, you cannot just say you want to face the government just like that. It's because they are not ready for you guys, and now they are ready. They were back in full. Honestly, when agitators were, I don't trust anybody again, especially my fellow people. Whenever they update on social media, they don't keep person. I don't used to believe. I will just lay low. I'll be on my lane, because some people have said, someone crazy and stupid has said on our platform that gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ fi rẹ́rìn tí wọ́n bá ṣe tán láti ṣọ̀fọ̀ ọ̀fọ̀ lè bá wọ gbogbo ayé tèmi màá máa rẹ́rìn ni nígbà tó fò ṣẹ mí. What do you mean that ẹ̀yin tẹ́ dẹ̀ ń fi wọ́n rẹ́rìn kò jọ ní dáa fún yín, ìwọ ni ò ní dáa fún àtàwọn Sunday Igboho àtàwọn agitator, gbogbo yín lọ kò jọ ní dáa fún yín. Because she exclaimed on her platform that those of you that are making jest of them, my life, I will never mourn. If you are mourning on your own platform, mourning is not my own portion. Agitators, wake up! Wake up! Do you understand? I'm not part of you now. I can never be a rough rider agitator. I can never be a riff-raff agitator. Gbogbo nǹkan ló pé sí yín lára. Ká pààyàn, ká bà tèèyàn jẹ́, ká defame èèyàn, ká jalè, ká máa wàsókó, ká máa ṣàgbèrè. What is Mary K? Lady K? Is it Mary K powder or Lady K? What is she doing? She's the only woman in Igboho house. Agitators. All sort of antisocial behavior, being fraudsters, embezzling, fraudulent, fabricating lies upon lies. I mean, you know, defaming people's character, promiscuity, all sort of immoral act is upon una. Kò sí wà tí ó sì obìnrin ìwọ nìkan. Orí mi ò ní gbàbọ̀dé, ìṣẹ̀dá mi ò ní gbàbọ̀dé. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run, Ọlọ́run bó ṣe ń ṣọ́ mi. Má jẹ́ ṣìrìn, má jẹ́ máa rìnrìn kúrìn, má jẹ́ ṣẹ̀sìn, ẹ̀sìn tó tó kíní yìí ò tó, tí ò tó láyé yìí ò sí. Lady K, adé ń sọ fún yín, ẹ máa gbé sàárà yín jìnnà. Do you understand? Obìnrin ni gbogbo wa, kò sẹ́ńtà rẹ̀ mọ́. I've been transparent to you people. Do you understand? Do you understand? Do you understand? God sees my heart for almost 3 years now, close to at least yes. Almost 3 years, I don't know any man. God sees my heart. I'm not saying that I'm holy. But if you want to do una, it's better to go and meet Sunday Igboho in hotel or somebody else. Not to say you should not pass the night here. That CSS, you should not pass the night there. Are you his first girlfriend, even if he used to have concubine? Are you Sunday Igboho first girlfriend? Why is your own exceptional that DSS has to come that middle of the night, surrounded that place after now your head dey destroy wonu compound Igboho bí ajé ṣe sọ̀kalẹ̀ ajé sọ̀kalẹ̀ síbẹ̀ yẹ o I've known about that mansion before, but look at that compound. Expensive, luxurious things, luxurious cars. Lady K, on your head, that is where ọkùnrin tí màá gbé tẹ́sí ò ní dá. On your head, in your presence, on your own luck, look at what you brought upon him. Look at what you brought upon him. A máa ń sọ fún yín, ẹ máa gbé sàárà yín jìnnà. Bó jẹ́ Ìgbòho Òòṣà náà ló ń mú ẹ wá bí tẹ́ ti máa pàdé ara yín. Ó níyàwó. Why can't you respect that matrimony? Why are you anyway? I just want to congratulate Mayegun K1 because I'm not your fan. I don't like you, sir. You are among, to be candid. Only that the agitators, they lack wisdom. All allegations against you were not wrong. You people working with, you are politicians, dealing with great politicians, Tinubu and all that, maltreating the masses. That's why that we are the one that elected all of you to put you there, depriving us of our rights. Do you understand? Not that I give a fuck about you, but I just saw you, displaying with our Mommy Salawa Abeni. Hey, my goodness. See the way, my God. So Mommy Salawa Abeni is actually younger sister to you. I didn't know, but she looks, Agbati Defo, but K1 still looks smart. They cannot say she's your younger sister, and she was kneeling down for you. Hey, you want to snatch Daddy Kollington Aina's wife? Ẹ má gba ìyàwó Daddy Kollington ìwà o, Daddy K1. Mayegun, èmi ò kó yín jẹ, èmi ò fọ́ fún yín o. Torí ẹ̀ ń wo àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà Yorùbá gàgà tí ìyà ń jẹ wá tí gbogbo ẹ̀ ń ṣe gbogbo nǹkan táwọn agitator ń jà fún òótọ́ ni. Ọ̀nà tí òótọ́ kọ̀ l'agitator ń gbà ni. Ọ̀nà tí òótọ́ làwọn ń gbà tó yẹ pé wọ́n ti wá di oníṣe, wọ́n ti wá di wọn yàtọ̀ sí ọlọ́ṣà alágbèrè òpùrọ́ àòbàyéjẹ́. But I was happy. Inú mi dùn when I saw you praising Mommy Salawa Abeni. You call her to the stage, you sing praises of her, you hug her, you even kiss her. Oh my God, you kissed her. You gave her the holy kiss. You kissed Mommy Salawa Abeni. Don't forget that she's somebody's wife. Oh. She's Daddy Kollington Aina's wife. Oh. Don't take her wife. Oh. She's your boss wife. Oh. Do you understand? Guys, this is Andy Diolu. Honestly, what do you think, fellow Yorubas? Not only the Yoruba that do not support the agitators. Gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá tó bá yá wọn láwọ ọlọmọ àlè. Before anything now, they'll start calling us bastard and all that. Look at how these people endanger their life, the so-called agitators, and the only woman among them, Lady K, that you are the one that said you saw terrible vision, terrible calamity befalling the agitators. You still went to Igboho Òòṣà house, passing several nights. Only God knows how many nights you have passed. Even on, it's not on my business, but let's face the fact. A lot of ladies are dumb and senseless. Nobody is a saint. But we need to be wise how we operate, ladies. Is it not so shameless as you were arrested with men? DSS, the Mojoba. Sunday Igboho Òòṣà, you better go and declare yourself now. Because that woman, even she said she know they listen. Now she see vision. Now she see the waka, useless waka. I know they understand, especially our Yoruba. Ìwà olórí burúkú. Mo dé gbàdúrà pé ẹ̀yin ìyókù ọwọ́ pala kì í ṣe agitator làwọn tí mo sọ yìí, àwọn kan wà lórí social media yìí ọlọ̀tẹ̀ ni wọ́n. Ẹnu tó ti fi bó òòṣà wọ́n á tún wá fi gbolẹ̀. So people like that are like this Mary Kay, you are the one that said you saw vision. You are still the one paroling to the extent that you no go your own house. You still stay in Igboho. You stay in Igboho Òòṣà's house. That DSS has to go and come and boggle the place. Igboho Òòṣà, wo bó ṣe boggle ilé ẹbí ẹ̀ ń pọ̀ dàrán ni ẹ. Look at how your house is being boggled. DSS wọn ò rí ẹbí akọni tó ń pè rẹ̀. They did not see you like that warrior you are claiming to be. See how your house was boggled like a criminal, and now you be declared wanted. Agitators out market. Asọsọsọsọsọ ẹ gbọ́. Olórí burúkú kan wá ń sọ ní ẹ àtàwọn tó ń fi ṣe yẹ̀yẹ́ kò ní dá fún wa àtàwọn Ìgbòho Òòṣà lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́ rọ́rọ́ ẹkún ọ̀fọ̀ òṣè mi. Lágbára Ọlọ́run orí yín lọ́dàlẹ̀ ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ẹni tó ṣíṣọ̀ fún yín àmọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe fojú olórí ẹ̀gúngí. Lórí burúkú wá ṣe pé òṣì èpè tẹ ṣẹ́ṣẹ́ṣẹ́ṣẹ́ tó kó bá Ìgbòho Òòṣà dèní tó ṣẹ̀sìn tó kó wọn àtàlè. You cause. Your Igboho Òòṣà was arrested with concubine. Kí ni tiẹ̀ tó fẹ́ kú? Ní jẹ́ ká sọ̀rọ̀. You want to shut people off. That is just the problem. You want to shut people off. Ní fẹ́ ká sọ̀rọ̀. Nobody can shut me off. Mi ò rìnrìn òṣì. I gotta go. I love you guys.